Hey guys, so today I will teach you how to create Wi-Fi deauthentication, meaning Wi-Fi jammer. So for this project we'll use a very cheap model, that is the Node MCU. You can find it around $5 on eBay. With this module you can do a lot of things like Internet of Things, controlling some automation, etc. It have a very nice feature that it have built-in a Wi-Fi chip. So for creating this, we're gonna use this web page that you can see here, and you can enter, where it have all the instructions. It's a simple project, no programming skills are needed. After you go here, you will go to download two files, one with the firmware and another with the software to flash. So basically you just go here, you open the flasher, you will connect your Node MCU with a USB cable to the computer. In the configuration you will load the configuration file, and then you start the flashing process. I will not do it now because it will take some minutes, but it's simple like that. After it finish, your node is ready, so you just need to plug in to some power source. I will use here a power bank, but you can use even solar panel or something, and this can really run for days because it consumes very few energy. So now it's done, it's running. We can let idle in any place. Okay, what I will do now next, I'll go to my phone and I will see that there is a new network. This network called PWNED. I already have the password. The password you can see also on the site, but the password for enter on this network, it's deauther. This is the password that we'll use, deauther. After you are connected, you enter in the web page and you go to this address 192.168.4.1, or if you can download from Play Store this application called Node MCU. Will basically be the same. You accept the conditions. Remember, you should do always this on your own networks. Doing this in the other networks is completely illegal. And you find this nice interface. Okay. So I will scan the networks. Scan. One important thing, there's a lot of Wi-Fi jammers and other kind of things, but normally for this you need to be connected to the network. Means you already have the user and the password to connect to your network. You are inside the network, and then you can do a bunch of things like redirect traffic or kill connections. Advantage of this one is that you don't need to know the password of the Wi-Fi connection. You can kill the Wi-Fi connection even without knowing any password. So after the scan, I'll find here multiple networks. I can select one or two or all. I will just select, because as I said it's illegal to use in the other networks. I will just select my network. Select. What I can do now, I can for instance check which are the stations connect on my home network, and I'm doing this not connected to my home network, so it's like I'm completely a foreigner. When I'm doing this process, sometimes I may lose the connectivity. It's normal, okay? You just need to wait and then it will reconnect again, as you see. So, and then I put back again and I see what are the connections. So as you see, even it gives me the manufacturer. So Intel is this computer here that I have connected. So after I can proceed to the attacks. And for the attacks, if I want, I can attack just one of the equipments, or I can attack all the network. Sometimes if you try to attack all the network and you don't have results, means that the broadcast is disabled. So you need to go one by one. In my case, I will attack all the network. Attack. What will happen now? What will happen is that I will lose internet connectivity on this PC. So I'll go here and I'll try to connect to a web page. And as you see, it's no longer working. Also, I will try now on my phone to connect to my home network. And you see, I cannot authentify longer in my network. Or sometimes I may manage to have authentication of 1 second, but it drops. So I'll go again to my small equipment, and what I will do now, I will refresh here and I'll use different features. Check that also I have a different feature, big probe requests. This means, for instance, I can do something cool. I can generate here a bunch of false networks and I can start with them. This means that the users will see hundreds of networks that are fake. So I'll go now see it's still not happening. My computer also is running out of batteries meanwhile. Oh, this here. And they start already appearing. Networks with strange names, if you see. So I start having now a lot of fake networks. So to close this attack, I'll go back here and I will stop everything. Stop. After this, I should be able to connect again to my network. As you see, instantly I have again connection. And then I can go to the web page. Back again without any issues. Use this just for fun and learning, and please don't use with any illegal purpose. Thank you.